Leading questions, Sections 141 to 143 of the Indian Evidence Act 1872. Definition Section 141. A leading question is a question which suggests the answer that the person putting it wishes or expects to receive. Example, leading, you were at the shop at 8 p.m., weren't you? Non-leading, where were you at 8 p.m.? Explanation. Leading questions tend to guide the witness to answer in a particular way and can influence or shape testimony. Because of their suggestive nature, their use is restricted during certain stages of examination. Legal provisions. Section 1 provision. Definition of leading questions. When leading questions may not be asked. When leading questions may be asked. Section 142. When leading questions may not be asked. Leading questions shall not be asked in examination in chief or re-examination if objected to by the opposite party, unless the court allows it. Exception. The court may permit leading questions in matters that are introductory, undisputed, or already proved. Section 143. When leading questions may be asked. Leading questions may be asked in cross-examination without restriction. Reason: cross-examination aims to test credibility, expose contradictions, and control the flow of questioning, thus leading questions are permitted. Case law support. 1. State of Rajasthan v. Ani, AR 1997 SC 123. The Supreme Court upheld that leading questions are not allowed in chief examination unless permitted by the court. 2. Sharad Burdichan Sarda v. State of Maharashtra, AR 1984 SC 11622, reinforced that leading questions in cross-examination are a recognized method of testing truthfulness. Summary table. Stage of examination. Are leading questions allowed? Condition: examination in chief. Not allowed if objected. Allowed only with court's permission. Re-examination. Not allowed if objected. Allowed with court's permission. Cross-examination. Freely allowed, no restrictions. Conclusion. Leading questions are suggestive in nature and are restricted during the examination in chief and re-examination. However, they are freely permitted in cross-examination to test the witness's truthfulness. Courts can permit leading questions in introductory or undisputed matters. Would you like this formatted as handwritten style notes, flowchart, or flashcards?